Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add the degree Celsius symbol in Excel. We'll cover two straightforward methods. First, we'll look at using the symbol dialog box, which is perfect for occasional use. Then, I'll show you a handy keyboard shortcut that makes adding the symbol much faster, especially if you need to do it often. Let's get started and make your temperature data look professional. To use the symbol dialog box, first click on the cell where you want the symbol to appear. Next, navigate to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon and select Symbol. In the symbol dialog, choose Latin 1 supplement from the subset drop-down menu. Find the degree symbol, click Insert, then close the box. Finally, just type the letter C right after the degree symbol. For a quicker approach, especially if you're adding many temperature values, use the keyboard shortcut. First, type your temperature number into the cell. Then, hold down the Alt key and using your numeric keypad, type the numbers 0176. Release the Alt key and the degree symbol will appear. Immediately follow it with the letter C to complete your Celsius entry. Beyond direct entry, you can use custom number formatting to automatically display the degree Celsius symbol. Select your cells, open Format Cells, and under Custom, type 0 degrees C to show 1 decimal place. This ensures consistency without manual input. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.